Okay, this is changing the brush motors on the motor that goes to the belt of the conveyor dryer. It's a Brown dryer, but it's just a Dayton motor, which means it's an aftermarket motor. It's a Dayton 1LPW3A, and that's what you look up on their website, or honestly anywhere else, Grainger, anything will have replacement brushes for something like this. They come in a little pack. This is all they are. It's just two of these little guys, and all it is a spring with a piece of graphite on the end. They slightly have a side that could be rotated that has just a slight curvature that could go towards with the same curvature of the motor, but for the most part it doesn't really matter because it's so slight and it's going to wear on its own to fit that turn. So all you need for this is a flathead screwdriver and those replacement pieces, and it's really not hard. It's just kind of an awkward spot and you're fiddling around, which kind of sucks, but it's not that hard. So there's a plastic cap that has a slot on it that the screwdriver fits into, and you just give it a little couple turns. It's just got a few threads. That one came out that easy. Just the brush coming out of it. But you can kind of see the level of wear. It's not massive, but they do need replaced from time to time. And then to replace that, just put it back in the new one. This is the part that's kind of tricky because you got to push in that spring and twist this all at the same time. Once you get the threads started, just tighten it back up then with the screwdriver. It doesn't have to be super tight, just snug. That's it. Rinse and repeat on the other side.